Hello, I'm Valerie Albano, and I will be teaching Biology 9, Introduction to Genetics this summer. And I'm looking forward to introducing you to all the ideas in the transmission of traits from parents to offspring. This course is going to definitely introduce you to concepts of how genetic traits start in gametes, and as fertilization occurs and an organism turns into its eventual self, how those traits are expressed. We are going to be talking about some basic chemistry, some very basic mathematics, and basic biology. For this course, you will definitely need to get the textbook. We are using the Concepts of Genetics by Brooker. This is the second edition. I'm okay with you using the second edition. However, the third edition is now available. And here's a picture of the third edition. You will definitely need to get the online access code, as there is a module called a Learn Smart module that I'm going to need you to do for every chapter. That's basically your online homework. All right, well, I'm looking forward to meeting you all. I will be having Zoom office hours and having discussion groups, and definitely having a significant online presence. I can't wait to hear from you all. I hope so far your summer has been treating you well, and I will see you next week on the 10th when class opens. Have a good weekend.